You must know that the heart is a very important organ for our bodies. But do you take care of yours? All the vital functions depend on the heart, since it works as a pump that distributes the blood through the whole body. So taking care of your heart will result in more health, energy, better functioning of organs, and more vitality. Did you know that your diet can contribute to your heart health? In today's video, we will share with you the recipe of a juice made of oats and grapes to protect your heart. Grape and its byproducts, like grape juice and wine, are rich in catechins and resveratrol, which is a powerful flavonoid that acts as an antioxidant to protect the body cells. According to studies, drinking grape juice increases the antioxidant capacity of the body by 50%, besides increasing the production of nitric oxide, a vasodilator, in up to 70%. And oat, being a grain rich in fiber, folate, omega-3, and potassium, is great for reducing the absorption of cholesterol and the plasmatic levels of LDL, the bad cholesterol, protecting us from heart attacks. Don't forget, the less processed your oats are, the better. Learn now how to make this recipe. Ingredients: 1/2 cup papaya, 1 cup water, 3 tablespoons soaked oats, 10 grapes. Directions: in a blender, mix all ingredients until smooth. Add some honey if you want. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, heart diseases are the main cause of death in the world. So if you want to take care of your heart, include red fruits, especially apples and cherries, kiwi, pears, and grapes in your diet. Besides that, don't forget to add your diet to physical exercises and activities that reduce stress and psychological overload. By doing so, you will have more longevity and quality of life. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.